Hi. So right now I want to show you what it means to work with your dog. Okay. So again, we usually use some simple practices with our dogs. Um, for instance, to introduce them to getting on a tree trunk and walking along a tree trunk. These are two good exercises that allow us to work together with the dog to improve our communication with the dog. All right. So, okay. So the first thing is Jasper. I'm going to ask Jasper to just walk along the tree trunk. I am not going to push it. I am not going to pull him. I'm not going to do anything. I'm asking him to just walk. What's that? Come on, Jasper. Come on, Jasper. Well done, Jasper. Come on, Jasper. Dad? Dad? Come on, Jasper. Come on. Come on. Well done. Come on. Come on. Come on, Jasper. Well done. Very good. So this what it means to work with your dog. We don't place the dog on the tree trunk if they don't want to get on it. Jasper, come, off. Jasper, off. Good boy. Stay. Up. Well done, Jasper. Well done. And this is what we do. The reason being is dogs learn much better, quicker that way, and that they know what we're asking them to do. And it's better for our communication with them. So practice this and have fun